POV.
Guys,
Here is a tutorial. How to tuck for C hair when doing rope twists.
Tucking the natural hair between the braids. Now, as you guys see where I start the rope, you guys see this a lot. Now, this is the part. You use the pomade and you rub it over the strand of hair. You open the rope twist hair, you put it within, then you roll it together. And you do the same thing with the other side. You put the pomade on the natural hair, you put the natural hair in between the braiding hair, and you roll it, then you roll it together. With you doing that, what it does is it keeps the natural hair covered. So even if you wet the hair, whatever, it's not going to frizz because it's within the braiding hair. It's not out loose. And as you can see, as you look through, as I'm finished, you're not going to see no bubbles, nothing showing of a natural hair. It's all tucked away. So even when you hot water the hair, it doesn't do anything because it's tucked within. You get what I'm saying? Now look at that rope twist, flawless. And that's on 4C hair, and that's how you do it so the client hair could last 3 to 4 months. Have a good one.